Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss irrotational vector. What is irrotational vector? Curl of the scalar function is equal to 0 or del cross f equal to 0. If del cross f equal to 0, then f is a irrotational vector. Okay. One example. First we'll go with the example. Suppose the function f is 2x plus yz of I plus 4y zx of j minus 6z xy of k is given. So we have to show the given vector is a irrotational vector. That means we have to show del cross f equal to 0 we have to show. So let us take the left hand limit del cross f. What is del cross f? I, j, k. First row you have to write ij. Second row operator dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. See what is our del? Del is nothing but I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. Some teacher they simply write summation I dou by dou x. This also the same. It is operator only. They want summation means they want to say I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by same different way of representation. So this is f. Now write the third column as f. 2x plus yz plus 4y plus zx plus xy minus 6z. Now expanding by r1. Expanding by r1. Expanding by r1. I as it is. Now if I means this is gone and this is gone. So you have to go with dou by dou y of this means dou by dou y if you go. Let me write down one step. Dou by dou y of xy minus 3 minus dou by dou z of 4y plus zx. This is your I. Minus j of j means this is gone. J means let me change the color. J means this is gone. And top row is always gone. So what will be thing? So j is gone means dou by dou x of dou by dou x of xy minus 6z minus j is gone means dou by dou x, then dou by dou z of 2x plus yz plus k of, for k if you want to go for k, this should be gone. So if this is gone, so we are left with k means dou by dou x of this, dou by dou x of 4y plus zx minus dou by dou y of 2x plus yz. Okay, that's it. Now I dou by dou y. If you go with dou by dou y, this is 0 and this is x. Let me change the color. We have options now. We can change the color. So this will become 0. Dou by dou y is gone. Dou by dou y, x is left. So x minus, you see dou by dou z. Dou by z is coming. Dou by dou z is dou by. Let me see 1 minute. No. Oh yes, zx. This is zx, please. I'm sorry. Dou by, if you multiply this thing, this is gone and this is minus x. Minus j of dou by, this is dou by dou x, this is y, minus dou by dou z, this is minus y, plus k of dou by dou x means z is left, this is 0, Dou by dou y means this is 0, this is minus c. So what does it mean? Same number x minus x. X minus x is 0, minus y minus y is 0, k 0 is 0, which is our right hand side. So therefore, del cross f equal to 0. F is an irrotational vector. One example we have done. One more example we will do. Irrotational vector. Irrotational vector. So one more example. Show that r to the power of n vector r is a irrotational vector. That means what? Del cross r to the power of n r should be equal to 0. We have to prove. This is required to prove. Or you can write curl r to the power of n r. Both are same. Represented. Different types of represent. You are writing curl r to the power of n vector r. Then del r to the power of n vector r. So the same thing. So that means determinant. You see, this is vector r. Please remember, vector r equal to xi plus yj plus zk. And this is vector, this is modulus of r. So now, curl r to the power of n vector r. So what can I do? I can write I, j, k, first thing. Then dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. What is our, this is r to the power of n vector r. Vector r is, this is x, r to the power of n y, r to the power of n z. That's it. Now expanding by r1. So I gone dou by dou y of dou by dou y of r to the power of n z minus this is gone. So this is dou by dou z of r to the power of n y minus j of j will gone dou by dou x of r to the power of n z minus dou by dou z of r to the power of n x plus k. This is gone. So dou by dou x of r to the power of n y minus dou by dou y of r to the power of n x must be equal to 0. We have to prove, but it is no, only our left hand side. We are going with the left hand side. So this is our left hand side. Now see here, z is a constant. It will come outside. So only we are writing dou by dou y of r to the power of n, and y will come outside dou by dou z of r to the power of I minus j of z outside dou by dou x of r to the power of n, x outside dou by dou z of, because it is a partial derivative with respect to z. So x is treated as constant. We are not doing anything. You see, x is treated as a coefficient. So now k, y outside, y to the power of n dou x plus x dou y. Now z as it is, r to the power of n is n, r to the power of n minus 1 dou r by dou x minus y n r to the power of n minus 1 dou r by dou z. Then plus It will go one, wait 1 minute. So here n r to the power of n minus 1 z. What is this dou r by dou x? Dou r by, sorry, dou r by dou y. This is dou r by dou y. Dou r by dou y is y by r minus y into n r to the power of n minus 1. Dou r by dou z is z by r. Z by r. This is with I. With j is there, with k is there. So now see here, I is outside. Now n r to the power of n minus 1. This r, if I take common, it is 2. So this is what you have, zy or yz minus, you see, yc of I. So yg minus yg is 0. This is 0. This is, if I write summation, so this comes 0 means this part is also coming 0. This part is also. If you write in the exam summation n, if this comes 0 means I, this is I with I. Oh, it doesn't meet any dot product, sir. We are not doing the dot product. It is. My God. So if you write with the summation, you don't have to do these two things. The directly it is coming 0, which is our left hand side. Therefore, this implies r to the power of n vector r is a irrotational vector. Irrotational vector. Let me go one more example. If you want, you can do, but I think with I, if we write summation, answer is 0. That means it is a circular function. See one more problem. If f equal to axy minus z cube of I plus a minus 2 x square of j plus 1 minus a of x z square of k is a irrotational vector. Find a. Is a rotational vector. Find a. Find the value of a. See here. We have to find the value of f is an irrotational vector. Irrotational vector means what? What is the meaning of irrotational vector? Del cross f equal to 0. He has given. So we have to find the value of a. What is the value of a? So now what we have to do? What we have to do? This is I, j, k. This is equal to 0. First, we have to write the I, j, k. Second, partial derivative operator. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by z. Then the given function. What is our given function? Axy minus z cube, a minus 2 of x square, 1 minus a of x z square. Now expansion. Now I expanding by r1, expanding by r1. I this thing, if you go with dou by dou y of this is completely 0. Dou, this is 2, not z. This is 2. Dou by dou x, this is also completely 0. Minus, this is gone. Dou by dou x of this thing is 1 minus a of z square minus dou by dou z. This is minus 3z square plus k of, if it is gone, dou by dou x of this thing, this is 2x of a minus 2. Then dou by dou y, this is y means ax. Do by uh, 1 minute. Dou by dou x is this thing, 2x square. This is y means minus ax. Minus ax. This should be all equal to 0. I minus I is 0. So don't see it. Now this should be equal to 0. This should be equal to 0. So if this should equal to 0 means 3z square plus 1 minus a of z square equal to 0. I am taking y, equating the coefficient of uh, j. Here 0 means it is not an ordinary 0. This 0 is not an ordinary 0. This 0 means 0i plus 0j plus 0k. It is also a vector. This is a 0 vector. So this equation, equating the coefficient of j both the side, I got this thing. Since if we take z common, 3 plus 1 minus a equal to 0. Z cannot be equal to 0. So 3 plus 1 is 4 minus a equal to 0. This implies find the value of a. So a equal to, this implies a equal to 4. This implies a equal to 4. So we got the answer. If it is a irrotational vector, find the value of z. We got the value of z. So that is irrotational vector. One more example. Show that one more example. Show that f equal to x square minus yz of I, y square minus zx of j plus z square xy of k is a irrotational vector. Irrotational vector. What is our aim? The last problem. Irrotational vector means what? Del cross f equal to 0 or curl f equal to 0. So our left hand side del cross f. Del cross f. What is our del cross f? I, j, k. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. This is x square minus yz, y square minus zx, z square minus xy. This is dou by dou y means minus x. This is minus dou by dou z. Minus x already minus 10 plus. You see this is minus x plus x. Write the summation. Don't go for all. Minus x plus 1 plus x is 0. So this is 0i. 0i is nothing but 0i. It means 0j plus 0k is nothing but a 0 vector, which is our right hand side. Which is our right hand side. Therefore, f is a irrotational vector. That's it. So it is very simple. Irrotational means del cross f equal to 0. Write in the determinant form, prove that equal to 0. That's it. If we say ask find the value of a or b, then already we know the answer is 0 equal to 0, del cross f equal to 0. Then equating the coefficient of equating the coefficient of I, j, r, k. Here 0 means it's not ordinary 0, it is a 0 vector. Okay, that's it. Del cross. I have made one video on solenoidal vector. That is divergent f equal to 0. Del dot product equal to 0. Del dot f equal to 0. That is f is solenoidal. If del cross f equal to 0, f is irrotation. This in this video it is an irrotation, cross product. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and share with your friends and let me know which topic you want me to discuss in detail. I am every concept discussing in detail all the aspect. Please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.